Ma'am, are you willing to leave on your own accord?
No.
No?
I'm fighting. That's what I'm doing. That's why you're escorting me out. I'm such a badass, such a problem. Here we go.
Listen!
Oh, I love it!
Stop.
Don't do that. You can't. What the hell? Whoa.
Tonight's incident took place at the Breakers, one of the most luxurious and exclusive resorts in Palm Beach, Florida. A heavily intoxicated woman assaulted security personnel, harassed other guests, and refused to vacate the premises. But she didn't stop there. She decided to use the liquid courage of alcohol to challenge both the Constitution and law enforcement. And this is the most comprehensive legal breakdown of the entire situation.
Ma'am, do you have any ID on you? They're asking you to leave. You will get arrested. She needs to leave, right? If she's refusing to leave, she will get arrested, all right?
That's probably what's going to happen, honestly.
No, you need. She's afraid to have her in the car. She came in the car with her.
Yeah,
Ma'am, this way, ma'am. Is she leaving with you? I don't want her. You don't want her? You don't want her?
No, I don't mind.
We want to get her out of here. If not, she could end up being arrested.
No, I know that.
So it's best interest to get her out. You're outside.
Okay, so.
You need to walk out.
Yeah.
You need to walk out of the hotel. You need to walk out.
Can I buy change for my drink, or I'm gonna get my.
Ma'am.
Okay, they need a trespass? Okay. Did you get her ID or anything?
If she leaves on her own.
Yeah. Ma'am, are you willing to leave on your own accord?
No.
No?
I'm fighting. That's what I'm doing. That's why you're escorting me out. I'm such a badass, such a problem. Here we go.
I'm asking you because if not, you're going to need to be trespassed, okay?
Oh my god. Well, I kind of want to trespass. Like,
Okay, well, you need to...
I don't have ID on me. I was trespassing. I was invited here.
Ma'am,
You better throw me out. I would handcuff me, like put me against the wall, and be like, how do you feel? And I'd be like, it's terrible.
ma'am, how'd you get here?
I hitchhiked. I was hunting and dying.
Okay, how are you getting home? Ma'am,
Ma'am, go home to your wives.
okay, ma'am,
I know what's going on.
ma'am,
Don't touch me.
ma'am,
You're gonna get arrested. Don't stop.
I am.
ma'am. This is the last point before you get hands put on you.
Shut up. I'm going home. There's no reason to arrest me.
So do you want me to call the Uber for you?
Do not put your
hands.
Do you want me to call you the
Relax.
Uber? Do you want me to call the Uber
Can
for
you call her an Uber?
No, we're fucking.
Where do you live?
Shut up.
Where do you live?
Alicia, man.
Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live?
Ma'am,
Do you want me to call the Uber?
I'm going to give you one last warning.
Do you want to?
Bitch ass cunt.
Where do you live? So I can call the Uber for you.
With these retards in charge. I have a
I
good.
can call the Uber for you.
I don't even wear my Navy SEALs. Commanding
I
officer.
can call the Uber for you. Where do you live? I can call the Uber for you.
He's recording it in case he gets assaulted. Fancy ass
Ma'am.
bitch. No, keep recording, ho. You're gonna look bad. Oh my god, I'm causing problems. I'm so sorry.
All right, listen.
Oh, I love it.
Stop.
Don't do that. You can't. What the hell? Whoa. What is wrong with you? You first of all is stronger than you. That's embarrassing.
You're under arrest now.
Can you grab her arm?
No, that's embarrassing for you guys. What are you doing? You can't. What are you fucking for?
Careful.
I'm stronger than you. Stop.
I'm trying not to put you on the ground, ma'am.
I am supposedly being detained. I'm gonna get rid of Oh my god! What are you?
Stop resisting.
Oh god! Lord knows they did.
Got it.
What are you guys doing? This is embarrassing.
1, 2, 3.
You,
Turn over.
the fuck you are?
Pulling your skirt back down. Under arrest.
That was so stupid of you. Good job. You fucking idiot. You fucking retard. That
Stop.
was seriously. What the hell? There was no reason for that. I was leaving.
Resisting.
For what? Because
Drunk and disorderly and resisting arrest.
I did not resist anything. You guys tackled me. You're fucked.
Where's your car? Over here. Hold up. Yeah. You got her?
Good job, you idiot. Record. Let him talk. Let him talk.
Been recording the whole time on our body
Idiots.
cams.
Yeah, but y'all destroy. This
Let's go. Have a seat.
fat sauce. Piece of shit.
Her cell phone?
Yeah.
I could go with her.
She's staying at my house.
Okay. So they originally was sitting at the bar,
Yeah.
and they had a tab of
I didn't drink at all.
$30
I just
something
walked in.
dollars. She claimed that she put $150 cash in the checkbook. We checked cameras. That didn't happen.
Okay.
When I got back downstairs, she informed me that she actually paid it, so she was good to
I
go.
have the receipts too.
She kept saying that she wants a change and started getting belligerent and crazy, saying she wants a change. I told her, can you please depart the restaurant? We can talk outside. Then she pulled her phone out and started saying there's cameras and started going crazy. Then she slapped my hand and threatened me, and then she said, and then her friend tried to talk to her. She started insulting her friend. At that point, we were trying to get her out, but she was not taking any of our requests to leave.
So she slapped your hand. Like, did you touch her or
No,
did you?
she
How
also
did that
accused
go?
me of touching her 6
It
times.
was me though. I was trying to get in the middle, and then I think she thought it was him, but it was me. I was in front of
I
her.
mean,
Okay.
the only reason why she slapped my hand is she started recording, and I said, please don't record me. She slapped my hand out.
Okay.
That's what happened.
You don't want any charges for the battery?
No.
Okay.
I just want her trespass. That's it. She must be on something else, because that can't just be alcohol.
Yeah.
Because I mean, you guys came with her, and she's still acting like crazy like that.
Yeah.
I mean, you're afraid to take her in your vehicle.
Yeah. Strange in the car started yelling at me about like crazy things, and I was just like, yo, we're going to like have fun. Like, this is my first night out. I just moved out. I haven't been out.
Was she drinking at your house?
I think she was drinking champagne. She like ordered a Postmates or something. I've noticed since she's been staying with me, there's been little orders, right? Because I don't have alcohol in my house. I'm not really a drinker.
Okay.
Maybe socially, if you go out, have one or two. So as far as I know, it was some champagne before we got here. And remember when we sat down, I said, "What did you drink?" She said,
Yeah,
"3
she only
margaritas."
had one though. That's why when the girl
Yeah,
said
and on the-
three,
What's her baseline? Is her baseline like that, or is
Usually
she?
could drink a lot.
No, I mean like
What's she like normally?
is she calm? She's a calm, rational.
Oh yeah, usually she's friendly, like social, nice, not like argumentative, yelling. She was like saying something about like, someone's fat, when people start getting all mad and they
Does she have any issues with her gait? Does she walk normal?
Yeah, she walks normal.
She doesn't have any issues walking a straight line, keeping balance or anything like
no,
that?
she's normal otherwise.
Okay,
yeah.
so her stumbling around is not normal?
Yeah, no, that's like from the alcohol. I would assume.
Manifestly under the influence of
Yeah.
alcohol?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Upon arrival, the Palm Beach police officers followed protocol, verifying the situation with the hotel management. Once the manager officially asked her to leave, the police immediately stepped in to enforce property rights. You need to understand, in the US, private property rights are sacred. The Breakers is private property. The moment the owner or their representative asks you to leave, your implied license to be there is immediately revoked. Look at her behavior. She keeps demanding that the cops call her an Uber, yet refuses to tell them where she lives. From a Florida legal standpoint, this constitutes trespassing in a structure under Florida Statute 810.08. You have no legal right to linger, argue, or make demands on someone else's property. Furthermore, her screaming, cursing, and flailing about while visibly intoxicated in public clearly violates Florida Statute 856.011, disorderly intoxication. The police gave her no less than 5 opportunities to voluntarily step off the property. In law enforcement, we call this officer's discretion. They attempted to resolve the issue through the most peaceful means possible. But the offender ultimately sabotaged her own chances. The moment the officer grabbed her arm and she yanked it back, a third charge was officially triggered: resisting an officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. Many of you might ask, she's just a drunk woman. Was taking her down to the ground a violation of the Fourth Amendment regarding excessive force? The answer, based on Supreme Court precedent, is no. Under the standard of objective reasonableness established by the landmark Supreme Court case Graham v. Connor, 1989, officers are permitted to use a commensurate level of force to control an individual who is actively resisting. The fact that she stiffened up, pulled away, and refused to place her hands behind her back left the officers with no choice but to apply a takedown technique to neutralize her balance, ensuring the safety of both the officers and the suspect. There is no personal vendetta here. It is purely a matter of physics and the law. The only loophole defense attorneys typically try to exploit in these cases is claiming their client lacked diminished capacity due to intoxication. However, in Florida, voluntary intoxication is rarely accepted as a valid legal defense for misdemeanors. Law enforcement is not a taxi service or a babysitting agency. Their duty is to restore order. So, what was the final legal outcome of this arrogance? In court on November 22, 2024, the woman, named Amy, pleaded guilty to all 3 charges: trespassing, disorderly intoxication, and resisting an officer without violence. She was sentenced to time served and hit with a hefty fine, a bill she later ignored, leading to her account being sent to collections in 2025. This case leaves us with 3 sharp, practical lessons. 1. Private property is not your entitlement. When you're asked to leave, keep your mouth shut and walk away. There is no room for negotiation. 2. Police officers are not your concierge. Expecting them to order you an Uber while you're in the middle of breaking the law is a complete delusion of grandeur. 3. Intoxication might be an explanation, but it is never a legal shield. You put substances or alcohol into your body, you are fully responsible for every physical and legal consequence that follows. The law doesn't care about your feelings or how many drinks you've had. Act like a mature citizen, respect social norms and the peace of others. That is the only way to protect your own freedom. If you appreciate this logical, law-based breakdown, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next case file.